careful. Don't look at me like that. You're the one who did it. Attitude. Lose the tude. Lose the tude, bird. Hello. Oh, I think I need a nap, Max. Can we take a nap? Don't. Maxwell? You know better. So stop tormenting. See, we had to stop the camera to get you away from the door, huh? And then we had to shut the door and cover it up. Because you were being a naughty, naughty, naughty little boy. You being a naughty little boy. Don't keep dropping it. I can get to up there without my finger in it. I think you can still see it. Let's try one more time. Hold on, I know you want it. Oh, there you are. Bird. Max Bird. 007. There's nothing down there other than the thing you just dropped. Is there a boogeyman down there? Is he gonna jump out of the side of the chair from beside me and attack you? Is that what's gonna happen? Is there a boogeyman in the chair? Was that necessary? I don't think it was. Do you think it was? You think it was, huh? You think that was necessary? Mr. Bird. Shaka, shaka, shaka. Hello, is Max home?
Hi. Oh.
Is Max home? Hello?